Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that market is slow. Market is not much moving. The first reason is obviously FOMC. Before the major event like CPI, NFP, FOMC, market is slow. Then second reason is the month of December. Usually we get to see sleepy market after 20th of December, but this year December month is special because market is celebrating pre-Christmas for the last couple of days, and we can see that there is not much volume in the market. So if you are looking for good swing trades, positional trades, looking for big candles, then obviously this is not the right time. You will get good moves after the first week or second week of January. Okay, because till first week of January market will be in holiday mode. I'm not sure how big moves we are going to test after FOMC. Honestly, I'm not expecting big moves because last CPR probably you guys have seen that it was quite disappointing. Okay, we could not even understand when the news was declared. There was no movement at all on the chart of gold. So let's wait and watch. And yeah, finally, FOMC is here. So if you stay in India or near India, then obviously the timing is very bad. Okay, it will come at midnight. If you stay in Africa, Europe, USA, then okay, you will get to see the live action. So my dear friends, okay, so if you want to trade at the time of FOMC or Fed interest rate decision, be careful, okay, because you may not get to see good moves in the market. Volume is quite low, so there is a higher risk of spikes in the market, price ejections, traps. So if you're a beginner, new trader, please do not trade. That's my request. If you're an experienced trader, that's your own call. But beginner, new trader, please avoid trading at the time of FOMC. Okay, and if we look at the market sentiment, we can see gold steady ahead of Fed decision. Gold steady ahead of Fed rate decision. So this is the market sentiment. Market is just waiting for the Fed rate decision right now. So the thing is that okay, market is expecting 25 basis points. Okay, rate cut. How much market is expecting? Market is expecting 25 basis point rate cut. So if that happens, okay, if that happens, then you can expect, okay, then you can expect that there will not be a move in the market. If market shows also a move, okay, then there's a high chance that there will be price rejection because market doesn't like common things. And if it meets the market expectation, then yes, I'm not expecting good move. For a good move, bigger move, okay, we need surprise like 50 basis point. I know chances are very less, but yes, okay, for a good movement in the market, for a upside or downside move, okay, we need a surprise because market doesn't like common things. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Time will speak. But in this condition, market condition, okay, obviously positional traders, swing traders, you should stay aside. This is not the ideal market for you to trade. After FOMC, if market takes a direction, then swing traders can look for a trade. But at this moment, before FOMC, there is no trade for swing and position traders, only for day traders only. And that too, if market comes to our level, because most of the traders hate sideways market because they lose money. And why people lose money in sideways market? Because we end up taking some bad trades by entering on the middle of the chart. Okay, so if you do not want to get yourself trapped, then you need to wait. Patience is a virtue. You need to have boring trades. That's a reality. Okay, there's a famous quote that trading should be boring. If it excites you, you are in the wrong track. So you can see that there are the levels that we have been discussing for the last 3 4 days, okay, have not changed at all. For example, the support around 2605, the support around 260510 is still there in the market. Then we also have support around 2629, 2625. This support is also there in the market. So before FOMC, if you see market coming down, then obviously we can look for support around this area. Okay, and the volume will be low. So once market will enter in the zone, okay, observe the market for 30 seconds, 1 minute. If you see price rejection from below, okay, you can go for a buy. Okay, and on the other hand, if market goes up from the current market price, okay, then we can look for a sell. because this is not a trending market. So the first selling opportunity will come around 2656 area. Why 2656? We can clearly see that around 2656 we have FIBO 0.236 retracement, sorry, FIB level. Okay. So 2656 is the first level, okay, from the Fibonacci retracement tool, okay, and 2656 is not a major level, okay, but in this market condition where the volume is very low, we can expect that there will be some price ejection from above. If market shows price ejection from above, we can hit the sell button. The second selling opportunity on the chart of gold will be around 2669. This is our second level where we can look for a sell position because of FIBO 38.2% retracement level, and moreover we can see the 100 moving average will also be acting as dynamic resistance. So on the chart of gold, these are the two levels where you can look for a sell. Keep in mind, no level is permanent. Do not gamble with your capital. Once you'll see the market is showing price ejection from above, then only hit the sell button. And moreover, after FOMC, if you see big moves in the market, then obviously you need to follow the trend of the market, because bitter reality is when fundamentals or news dominate, technicals do not work. The only way to make money at the time of news is to follow the trend. Don't be oversmart. Okay, and you can see that I have also drawn another line on the middle of the chart here, the purple dotted line. So this is a minor resistance, okay, minor resistance around 2663. So if the volume of the market remains like this, scalpers, you can also expect another selling opportunity on 2663 as well. Okay, not only we have resistance around this area, but you can see we also have the 200 moving average as well. So these are the three selling opportunities on the chart of gold if gold goes up from here, and if gold goes down, then we have the support levels where we can look for a buy position. Under normal circumstances, okay, we have a selling opportunity below 2625, but in this condition, okay, taking a sell at breakdown is very risky because volume is missing. After FOMC, if gold drops, if gold breaks 2625, then we can look for a sell. But before FOMC, no, this is not a good call because volume is extremely important, and right now we don't have the support of volume. And right now gold is trading around 264344 area. So in this current level, okay, I will not suggest any trade because we don't see any proper trading opportunity on the chart right now. If you move to a lower time frame, then you may find some opportunities, but those are not very reliable. I'm recording the video in the Asian session. Obviously I need to think about, okay, the European and US session as well. So if you want to trade on the levels from the lower time frame like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, that's your personal call, but these are the only trading opportunities that I see right now as the reliable ones. And my dear friends, you guys must know that the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is starting from day after tomorrow. Yeah, it's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support, especially for those people who are struggling with the market and unable to make money for months and years. So everything is mentioned on the website. The link is in the description. Okay, these are the dates here for Hindi classes. Okay, 27 से शुरू होगा and English classes 28 means it will start from day after tomorrow. And these are the dates for the weekly session. So at first there will be 3 consecutive classes and 4 weekly sessions. And these are the topics for the first 3 days, and you'll also get free risk management guide, lot size calculator, and many more things. As I said, 1 month support. In 1 month support, you'll be receiving regular market updates, analysis, and we also have a Telegram community where you can interact with other traders from around the world. And these are the topics for the weekly sessions. And all the classes are conducted over Google Meet. If you are unable to attend also because of time difference, nothing to worry. I record each and every session. And the best part is the fees. For a 7 days workshop with 1 month support is only $20 or rupees 1500 for Indians. And trading takes time, okay, it's a journey. So if you're looking for personal sessions, WhatsApp support from my side, you can sign up for semi-annual and lifetime support as well. You'll be getting personal sessions and also WhatsApp support. These are the payment methods. Once you are done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to that group. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.